Noisy pop-up fun. Snappy sounds space. At the back of their house, Kitty and Mouse have built their own super spaceship. They're launching tonight. It's their very first flight, so stand back as they start off their trip. Lunchtime can be tricky if food is not sticky, as sometimes it floats off the plate. Before Mouse gets a bite, his lunch just takes flight. In space, even cheese has no weight. Once landing is done, it's time to have fun. The friends take a walk on the moon. They jump up so high into the star-studded sky. This is just the best afternoon. But while the friends play, from a place far away come spaceships with aliens inside. When Mouse hears them speak, he grabs Kit with a squeak, and the two of them run off and hide. There's no need to be shy. The green aliens cry, "We're on a day trip to the sun." They sing Mouse and Kitty an alien ditty. They just want to dance and have fun.